From a young age, we are surrounded by packaging from morning until night. It's impossible to imagine daily life without it. We have packaging on our breakfast tables. It keeps the kitchen tidy and helps us to find what we want on supermarket shelves. With the right outer packaging, products are well protected and efficient to transport. Somic is a packaging specialist. We develop turnkey systems that are in use all over the world. For every product and every specific requirement, we work with our customers to find the right solution. From coffee capsule packaging to any other pre-packaged food and drink products, our unique modular system ensures maximum flexibility. Somic packaging machines are designed for maximum performance, yet they also offer compact dimensions and straightforward product handling. Each component is made in Germany, produced here at our factory in the Bavarian town of Ammerang. Our 300 employees take pride in their work and are not satisfied until everything is perfect. As a medium-sized company with a long tradition, we like to keep our feet on the ground and pull together as a team. This approach creates unity and makes us even stronger for our continued growth. Quality from start to finish, that's what characterizes Somic packaging machines. We ensure that you can make a safe investment with the greatest possible reliability in planning, production and commissioning. From transport systems and case packers to one or two-part packages, Somic machines are suitable for a very wide range of cardboard packaging types in all shapes and sizes. Our machines begin their journey across the world from Ammerang in Chiemgau. They travel to Europe, Asia, Australia and the USA, where there is a branch of Somic. Somic packaging machines are a guarantee of attractive packaging on the shelf wherever people go shopping. That is how we make everyday life a little bit more convenient and comfortable. Somic, engineered to perform.